Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Outlook account. So if you also want to create Outlook account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Outlook is a personal information manager and email application that helps the users organize their emails, contacts, tasks and calendars. So if you also want to create Outlook account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Outlook application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the Outlook application, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you already have an account, tap on the option Add Account. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to create new Outlook account, simply tap on the option Create New Account that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create new Outlook account for yourself. Simply enter your new email over here. Make sure to select @outlook.com over here. If it is not selected, simply tap on this option. After that, you'll be able to find two options, @outlook.com, @hotmail.com. Simply tap on the option @outlook.com. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here, what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Simply create a very strong password for yourself. If you want to check your password, check on the option Show Password. After that, you'll be able to check it. If you would like the information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services, make sure to check on this box. Now after you create a password for yourself, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your name. Simply enter your first name. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your last name. Now after you enter your name, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is select your country or region and birth date. Simply tap on the field of country or region. After that, you'll be able to select the country or region for yourself. Simply tap on the country of your choice. Now after that, what you have to do is select your birth date. First of all, select your month. Likewise, select the day. Now after that, enter the year. Now after you enter your country or region and birth date, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here your Outlook account will be created. So that is how you create Outlook account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.